YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a good day. We got the Evo in the background. I got Redline Ricer in my car. I'm borrowing him. I'm using him because we're going on our way. We're gonna drive about 400 miles to go pick up a new car. So we're getting a new build for the channel. I'm really excited. We're gonna take my Evo. So I got a 2000, what year is this? 08 Evo. And we're driving all the way, pretty much across the entire state to go find a new build. I'm gonna be delivering on a promise, so I'm really excited. So this is gonna be us driving over there, and it's gonna be a nice road trip. We're gonna go get some water. I gotta get some White Monster, so let's go grab some water. And of course, we're filling up the Evo because the Evo always needs gas. So let's go get some Monsters. All right, so we got some pretty much water is what I call it. We got a stack of cash. We're good to go. We got gas. We just topped off the Evo. Absolutely love this Evo, but it always needs gas. It'll probably need gas. Redline's gonna drive the Evo back, and then I'm gonna end up driving the other car back. So I did want to say we do have one other co-partner with us. So let's go ahead and close this back up, hit the road. But I want to show you the other. We have one more pilot. Who's the last pilot? Hansel's the last pilot. Alright, so we've been cruising down the highway. We're actually watching some Dustin Williams. I got this new stereo radio. Oh my gosh, this thing's awesome. It's like having a TV in the car. It's so nice. But we're probably like 45 minutes in. We're actually gonna drop off. We're gonna be dropping off Mr. Hansel, the dog. He's sleeping. We're gonna be dropping off him in a minute. And then we're gonna be heading all the way over to Eastern Washington to pick up the new build. I'm really excited. But the Evo's been doing good. Absolutely love the Evo. It's such a good road trip car, so much room. All right, so we are in the town where we're dropping off Hansel, getting rid of Hansel. This is a really good coffee spot. I don't know if you guys have been here. It's in actually Central Washington State. Pioneer Coffee, pretty cool. We got the Evo, it's doing good. We've gotten 20.3 miles to the gallon. It's pretty all right. It's under that. But look what just showed up over here. The Rat Pack. Isn't that awesome? Such a nice car. An LP 610. Ooh. That is beautiful. So the car that we're getting is this is the new car. I'm just kidding. I wish this was the new car. But we are getting a car that looks and will look similar to this. So I'm excited. So we're on our way. Again, we've still got a lot more driving. We're about an hour in, and we're about 70 miles down. So we got, we're about a quarter of the way. We're gonna be getting rid of Hansel and taking the Evo. Redline's gonna be driving the Evo back, and I'll be driving the new car back. But he'll be hitting some boost. Yeah, we'll be hitting some boost. All right, so we'll go ahead and jump back in the car here now. All right, so we made a quick pit stop. Hansel's checking it out. Look at this. There's some elk over there. Big old elk. That's pretty cool. It's a whole herd of them. Sightseeing. We're just taking a break. Hansel's all about it. Are you about it, man? Yeah? Yeah? All right. Okay, so we made another pit stop, number like 5. I don't know what we're doing. We're just wasting time waiting for my parents to come in to get my dog. Then once we drop him off, we'll be back on the road. But check out this. Isn't this awesome? And the Evo looks so good. I'm so excited. I love red, and I put on YouTube, I said, which color do you guys think color is of the next car is? And more people, I said red or black, because it's either red or black. You'll see on the next video. But I do love red. Red looks so good on contrast. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. All right, so we're gonna merge right now onto the highway, and I wanted to show you guys this new Torque app. I was gonna do a full video on this for the Evo, but I haven't yet. And but we're gonna merge on the highway. I'm gonna see how much boost we can get. So you guys ready? So we'll do a nice second gear pull, and we'll go ahead and see how much boost. So we're gonna roll it in 3, 2, 1. Let's roll. Wow, this car's fast. All right. We're gonna slow down. 55 miles per hour, 55. How much did you see how much it put out?
I think it was 24.
24.2. Yeah. That's what the high was, and that's pretty good. comment down below if you own an Evo. I'm gonna look what it is. I think 22 is factory, 24 is pretty good, a little bit more. You know, I've seen people do like 26 and 28 on the stock turbo and then the stock build. So that's something I might want to have my tuner do, or have it, you know, hit that highest 24 and then taper off is what I've seen them do. So it's pretty fast. All right, we're now officially out in the middle of nowhere. These are the wind farms in Eastern Washington. We're watching Graham Stephan. I don't know if you guys watch him. I love his YouTubes. But yeah, we're just cruising along. Look at this. I was telling Redline how different the terrain is out here. Completely different. This is totally different. We're in the high desert now. We got about another, I'd say like another 150 miles and we'll be there. So we're making good way. But yeah, I can't wait. I told the Celica guy, the owner, will be right there, and he said perfect, so I'm excited. Oh, that's not what car I'm buying. I didn't say that word. The next build car, I told that guy that's what we're gonna be eating. We'll be there in time. Yeah. Oh, anyways, we're on our way. We're gonna be there pretty soon. All right, we've made it out here. We're in Eastern Washington now. Kind of deserty looking. This is our, so we filled up when I first started the car. We're about like halfway. We've used about halfway the tank. So I filled it up just to top it off. We'll pick up the new build, and then when we pick up the new build, I'll probably fill that up with gas and probably hit the Evo one more time. Evo just does not get the best of gas mileage. I think we're getting like 21 miles a gallon right now. It's pretty all right. So we're topping it off. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump back in the car. We got our Starbucks, ready to go get this new build. All right, we've made it here. So the next video, we're gonna be revealing it. This is we drove halfway. So we're halfway, we got the Evo, we're pulling up. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm really excited. So I'm gonna go pull up real quick. We'll see, and I'll see what, you guys see my reaction. I hope it's a good one. Listen to Redline's reaction. We want it to be clean. I'm hoping it's a clean one. The last one I just looked at was not very clean. All right, he said behind the Jeep, by the Jeep. Do you see it?
There's a Jeep behind. Oh, there's a Jeep behind her. There's a Jeep right there.
There's a silver Jeep. Oh yeah, there he is. He's waiting. Ooh, okay. All right. Has stickers on it. Okay. All right. So come back for the next video and I'll do the reveal. All right. See you guys on the next video. So we just pulled up on it. It's an 03. It's good condition. Look at the interior. I love it. So I'm not gonna do 2 videos for this. This is gonna be 1 video. Look at this. It's nice. It's I love the seats. Perfect. They look really good in here. Again, it has all the black interior, not the light gray, which is something that I always look for on the 03 example models. But he didn't tell me. He didn't know. It's Spectra blue and it's not black, so I'm not gonna get this one. So how many miles did we drive? 200, and we're gonna drive another 200. It'll be a 400-mile road trip, but the Evo did good. So I will find one. I am looking for another Celica to turbo it and boost it to show you guys how to do that. It'll be a nice example. It just won't be this one. We did look at another Tsunami that I was gonna do a automatic to a manual GTS swap on it, but it was in really bad condition too. So it's actually becoming a lot harder to find good examples, and he was saying that this is a good example. The interior on this thing is really good looking. I just want a black one. So that's where we are. It is what it is. So what do you think? Oh yeah, we're so disappointed. Oh my gosh. He was nice. His name was John. I'm gonna actually link the Craigslist below because he wants help selling it. I think his OBO is 7,000. It's our best offer. So if you want to offer him something for it, he does still have it for sale. It's just not for me. I knew right when I showed up that it was a Spectra blue. He wrote on the ad it was black because it does look black at night. But it is a Spectra blue. He's a 3rd owner. He's had it for a while. I think it was 115,000 miles. Had black leather interior, and it was an 03, and it has the HID factory Toyota headlights. Dang, so we just drove like 200 and something miles to get out here. It's in my state, which is cool, and that's really why I wanted it. It's in good condition. I mean, you can wax it and wash it and make it look perfect. It definitely has you can see that it has 115,000 miles on it. It's not like I think my Tsunami was probably in a little bit better condition, and then my my red one that I got repainted was just immaculate. That car was perfect condition. I'm not kidding you guys, that was a really good condition one. And I was hoping that this one was gonna be mint, and if it was black, I would have taken it right on the spot. I even put a a post up on YouTube that said, guess what color my car is gonna be, my next car. And you guys actually said more people, I think like 180 people voted on that, and more people said that it was gonna be red, and it was gonna be this black. So I might end up getting a red one now. Just keep my eye open. I want to build a Toyota Celica GTS turbo, and that's what I promised you guys I would do. So I'm gonna keep hunting, and then I just saved $8,000 or whatever it was. So I guess that's good. I'll go ahead and fix the Lotus. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.